we are, once again. So we're doing a big clear out. You've probably seen by a lot of the pre-video here. So if you have a look here, down on this, there's this heightened floor. This is the natural state of the floor where my feet currently are. And this has been raised up. This all has to be lifted. If you take a look, there's a, I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but there's an actual slant on the actual floorboards. These have been roughly put in by the previous owner. These have to be lifted because I have to lift this place here in order to start establishing the facts below here. We're gonna lift all this whole entire floor, and then we're gonna probably, Sammy, we'll keep these timbers. They'll be handy to have for like bits of old scaffolding. You know, not the planks, but the the backboards for the when we're putting scaff up. They can use as backboards.
Are you dropping this floor then?
This has to be lifted. Yeah, yeah. It's rotten underneath. Are you talking about scraping the ground back? Yeah. Well, I actually think because they've closed this hole, they've not allowed any breathing in this property, and they've done a sand and cement skim. So some of it's lime, and some of it isn't. Take that off Sammy there, Charlie. Bring that over. We'll get that box over as well. This Victorian box, we don't need that, do we? I'll put that in the thing if we ever need it. They're actually mine, would you believe? They're my cable ties. We'll put that in here. Come on, follow me. So, previous owner, I don't know if you remember this from the last video. The previous owner just left everything. Even gas bottles and all sorts of things. We're trying to get to the bottom of it, trying to get this place all sorted. It's going to take months to get this place cleaned. Every time I come here, there's more stuff to be cleaned out. The idea really is to start more or less finalizing everything now and finalizing. Charlie, is there anything else needs to be pulled out there, needs to be put into the van? We'll keep these ladders here for work that we will do here. We don't need any more ladders up in the other place. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this gorgeous piece. Can anyone tell me what that is? There's a metal one. Can anyone tell me what it is? What? That is not for hanging pots. That is a weighing scale. No, that is a weighing scale. Chain on one end with the weight, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo. And then of course the bag of flax. That is an old flax mill weighing scale. Go ahead and start stacking all the good tools in that area there, will you, Charlie? But this is vintage. There we go. Just dumped on the floor, guys, to run away, never to see the world ever again. There's a nice, look at that. Look at that sitting there. Like some sort of, I don't know. You see this? Look at them big giant stones under the ground. So guys, we talk about the architectural arches in the mill. There's one here, and I'll let you show you. You got a wee light there, young man? And I'll show you I'll do the light for you if you want. I will talk to you about the arch. Come over here. This is another one of these arches. There's loads of them throughout this complex. They're beautiful, beautiful red brick arches. As you can see, if you want to have a look here, come on in here. They've been covered in by the previous owners. We intend to pull this out and rip this girl out and restore it. Now, if you look at the lime, it's solid. It actually is solid. There's no, maybe they need a bit of fresh pointing in, but actually I'm pretty happy with the condition of that. Sammy, do you see this red brick arch, do you? And look at this, people. Come and have a look at this. Can anyone tell me what they are? A fiver to the person who tells me what that is. The hole. Go and drop the hole right down there, Rowan. So what is that? Can anyone tell me? A rat hole. That's exactly what it is. It's a rat hole. And I'll tell you how I know it's a rat hole, because there's an underground water tunnel all the way through here. The water wheel, as I said in the last discussion, by the way, Rowan, when we were visiting this last place, we thought the water wheel housing was at the back. It turns out it's not. It's actually here. The water wheel sat right here in this channel. We'll move this table out of the way and we'll clear it back. We'll get all these power tools out of the way and we'll do that. But back to the architectural arch. There it is, guys. The line motor seems to be dry, good condition. We'll pull all that ivy back and we will restore this, and we'll take this out, and odds are I will probably end up putting a beautiful window in there. I would love to replicate that and put another one in here. This has got planning permission to cut a hole here, over here, and make this the new living room area for this property. So we're applying for planning permission for this to be a living room, which I think is going to be a beautiful space with that lovely architectural arch there. We have to do a bit of work to the roof, which is not a problem. But yeah, there it is. Do you remember that table upstairs? Come on upstairs, I'll show you. Oof, watch your head. Ow. That's it there. That's the table there that I want to keep. Just be really careful with that, okay? That can be restored. I want to keep that for myself. Isn't that a nice table? Yeah. Get that all restored. So they left all their family stuff as well, look. They left all the photographs of all their life. Just dumped it. Just dumped it. The whole lot. I think it's just terrifying that they just dropped their entire life. The pictures of their life. Everywhere they've been around the world. They've travelled the whole lot. They were in their 80s, but they couldn't, I don't think they could live anymore in this place. And I feel more holy towards keeping their stuff. Look at this, what's this? I think these are, because he was a ship navigator. Yeah, there you go, look. There's all his maps. So we'll keep them, because I could put them in frames. So they've left all their family photographs. Everything is here. Let's see. Oh, good lad. Oh, that's great. Actually, that's great. That's photos of the mill. That was before it grew over. You got any more? Wow. There's a hole.
What are you doing in there? There's Alan as a baby, look.
There he is there. That's him. He's a smart man. You know, one of these people that you would think to yourself, what an amazing man he is. Look, he's got all his, look. Norman Lee, that's him. There's his CV, look. There's all his CV stuff. His information about himself. I mean, he was an absolute genius, but very eccentric, because he lived in a house like this. There you go there. Mr. Norman Lee, 7th September 1961. Your indentures are enclosed herewith for completion. They're open to request the BP Tanker Company Limited. They're all books, and then they're all files belonging to him. So they're all things that need to be kept. And the books probably can be restored. Oh, that's to be dumped. There's a piano chair. What's that like? Yeah, that piano chair, we'll keep that. Go ahead and put that into the van, please.
What's about this, Alan? Is this worth it?
Yeah, I think so, Sammy. That's, what do you call that? There's a name for that type of...
That's something to do with a hall from.
Yeah, it's a hall, but there's a name for that, where you put the brollies in the side here. Brollies go down here, coats are hooked up.
Then there's a wee mirror, no?
We'll bring that down, Sammy. We'll get that scooped down. That's an original paint, or not an original painting there. That's a watercolour from Anne Faker. And there's a silverfish. Record player. I don't know if the record player is worth much. Are records players worth much nowadays? Have they? The older ones? Right, okay. So that can go out. That is original, not original, it's probably that pretend one. You know, one of them fake, old. So that we'll put that there. Yeah, it's going out. We'll keep them. What's this one? Oh, there's an old record player too. That's one of them reproduction ones. That's quite nice. So we'll keep that. Do you feel there's a damp in this house? Do you smell, there's like water in the property? Can you feel that? Thanks for watching this part 1 of 2 episodes in regards to the mill. The next episode that you're going to watch will be about us going behind the mill and doing a bit of clearing out. Stay tuned. Please like and please subscribe. And if you have anything to say or any comments you want to give, down below.